Hi everyone, warm welcome for joining this Salesforce online training from SV TechSoft. Today is just for demo. Okay, we will be discussing more about in this training programming. What will be covered? What are the modules? What are the benefits you get it from the SV TechSoft? What is the current market career on Salesforce? Okay, how about the job opportunities, certification, and everything will be discussed in this demo. Okay, this is just like introduction. Feel free to ask any questions. Okay, you get clarified. Yeah. Okay. First of all, before start in our training programming, okay, first of all, who am I? Okay. See, I am the one trainer of this particular programming. My name is Kishore Kumar. I am like in 14x certified as I'm currently working as a senior technical lead in one of the corporate company. I do have more than 10 plus years of experience, especially in the training. Okay, this is all about me. You people came for Salesforce training, right? First of all, before giving some overview of Salesforce and everything, let me give some idea in this particular Salesforce training. What are the modules to be covered? Okay, what we will gonna learn in the next classes, kind of thing. First of all, the Salesforce is nothing but it's like in one of the cloud technology. Okay, the Salesforce as inbuilt came up with CRM. CRM is nothing but customer relationship management. It's one of the on-demand market tool. The Salesforce come up with the cloud along with the CRM facility. Okay. First of all, we'll be learn the Salesforce CRM. See, the Salesforce completely built inbuilt future. Nothing to do anything by your own. You cannot build it. Okay. Whatever futures are already there in Salesforce, we have to be learn. We have to be do some kind of real-time practice how the CRM application will be work under and everything. After that, okay, we will be learn on the administration concepts. This is completely point and click. By using point and click, you can build one end-to-end project application using Salesforce. Okay, to learn this administration, no one need any programming skills, nothing. Everything will be point and click and drag and drop. Okay, why? Because the Salesforce is already built the futures. Okay, whatever futures already built, those we have to be learned from the CRM as well as administrator. See here, I don't want to go as a developer. I want to go as an administrator. For the first two concepts, you have to be learned CRM and administrator. Once you are good with that, then you can go as a development. But frankly telling, there is less job opportunities are there in administrator. Less. The more demand for the developer. Okay. Here in development side, we will be learn two things, classic as well as in lightning. These are the UI. UI means user interface, like look and feel. Actually, whenever you go for Facebook kind of thing, Facebook or WhatsApp, we will be see the UI, the background application. We don't know how it work because the developer will be taking care. UI means user interface. Okay, actually, when we see any particular screen, that is the UI, user interface. The Salesforce came up with two different some two different UI application. One is the classic, another one is lightning. Classic is the older version. No one company are using the classic for the new development. Why? Okay, actually, why we have to be learn this classic also in this particular training programming means, okay, we will not much focus on the classic. Classic just like in 3 hours classes, some 3 days class only. Classic will be putting much focus on the lightning and only. Clear? The classic is nothing but the existing projects already built on Salesforce, right? Okay, if you join any company, you may get work to be like understanding how the functionality and everything from the existing project further. Just we are giving some idea on the classic version. But nowadays, each and every company using the Lightning only. Okay, but in this training programming, we will be teaching the classic version, that is the Visual Force based UI. Market, we do have HTML kind of thing, right? Pages. Similarly, in Salesforce, we built the front end pages and everything using classic version, that is the Visual Force page. Then Lightning version. Lightning version came up with two different UI. That is Lightning Aura and Lightning LWC. Aura is came in the year 2015. Okay, but in LWC came in the year 2008. The LWC is the latest version. Okay, this Aura was built on the component based framework. This one LWC was built on WebStack tools. Okay, WebStack tools and everything. Okay, the latest one on UI is LWC. Okay, if you know the LWC, you are one of the most demandable resource in the market. Then we'll be learn on the development side. Development is nothing but Apex coding. Apex is one of the object-oriented programming languages. How look like core Java, like that. Similarly, we have to be learn in Salesforce, that is the Apex. Apex is one of the development part in Salesforce. This is one of the object-oriented programming languages. You have to be build the complete logic using classes and all. Okay, but in that case, do I need to be put much attention to learn? Apex is very easy compared to the other technologies. If you are already doesn't have any coding background or anything, no need to worry. Okay, we will be teach the concepts from the base level to advanced level. Okay, just you have to be keep in mind 12 to 13 concepts only. If you're good with that, the Apex is easy. But initially, if it doesn't have any coding experience or anything, you have to be practice at least 1 hour per day, initial days only. Then Apex is very easy. Okay, then in this training programming, we'll be cover integrations also. What is mean of integration? Integrations are nothing but exchanging or transfer data from one technology to another technology, like payment gateway, for example. Whenever you are booking some kind of order or anything, from this particular application, you are contacting the bank, right? Bank is some third party, right or not? Okay, whenever you make transaction, the amount will be debited from that particular bank. Okay, even though actually you will be receiving some message from the bank, that is nothing but integration. Integration nothing but to making the connectivity between two different technologies, that is nothing but integration. Within this training will be cover some integration. You never seen like that, how we can integrate from Salesforce to Google Drive, how we can integrate from Salesforce to Facebook. Some of the new concepts will be seen live. Okay, yeah, in this training programming, how we can integrate from Salesforce to Salesforce, Salesforce to Java, like that. Okay, I will be shown live. Okay, total will be covered around 7 modules in this training program. Okay, this is all about the Salesforce. Okay, first of all, okay, first of all, the Salesforce is also a one of the cloud computing. Do you know what is mean of cloud computing? Within the market, we do have already Java, .NET, PHP, SAP, and all. So many other technologies are there. Why the Salesforce is more demand compared to the other technology? Why? Because the Salesforce is one of the cloud technology. Do you know? Just for your better understanding, you may people doesn't have, for example, so many people doesn't have any IT background. They don't know why the demand of Salesforce, why the Salesforce is a cloud computing. Just will give some background what is cloud computing. Once you get better understanding of the cloud computing, then you can easily understanding what is Salesforce. Okay, why the Salesforce is more demandable, why we have to be learn Salesforce. You get clear picture on it. Okay, yeah. Okay, here what is difference between cloud and on-premise? Cloud is nothing but everything is depend on the internet. If you have internet, you can access the particular application from anywhere, anytime through the internet, wherever you are in. You can easily access through the internet. That is nothing but cloud. On-premise means everything you have to be defined in your company premises. Premises means the location. Within your area, everything, the software, hardware should be present. Earlier, before come to the cloud, any company for doing their project, the company have to be keep maintain the licensed version of software and hardware. Is the software and hardware, is it compatible only one single machine? If you take any company, okay, thousands of systems should need the particular software, right or not? They cannot go and install each and every mission laptop like that. For example, if they have SAP software, they cannot install each and every laptop like that. They have one of the storage location. From that location, the people will be take. This is the on-premise. Means their company should be maintaining the lot of servers, hardware. If you visit any company, in some ground floor, there will be huge machines will be there. Those all are softwares as well as hardware. So many employees should be taking care. If anything crash will be happen, the particular software is not working. What happen means they have to be reach out to the particular vendor. The vendor will be come and fix it. Take lot of time, lot of headaches. There is a lot of issues with on-premise. Cloud is nothing but the employees no need to worry because of the vendor provide all the service to the internet. If, for example, any company employee need any particular software, they simply contact the vendor. The vendor simply provide one login URL, username, and password. That is the cloud. Cloud is the more demand in the market. Okay, that is the difference between cloud and on-premise. Then on-premise application. What is mean of on-premise? On-premise is nothing but the companies require the pre-installation of software in the device. Okay, they have to be install the particular hardware or software within the particular their laptop or desktop or tab. They have to be installed. For example, any mobile applications like Android, iOS, or any MS Office, Tally, Java, okay, Microsoft .NET, Oracle database, SQL Server, extra. If you take any software, what happened? Okay, those particular required software have to be installed in the particular system. Whenever you install the particular software in the mission, the particular mission is require some specification of space, memory, as well as require of RAM and everything. Correct or not? If the particular device is not compatible, then the particular software will not be get installed. Companies should be taking care each and everything. Okay, it won't support to install in all the device. As I mentioned, right? Okay, for example, if you take any SAP kind of thing, may require more than 8 GB of RAM, 1 GB. Okay, so I can 1 TB data required for the device, right? Otherwise, SAP will not be get installed. Lot of specifications. The company should be taking care when they have maintaining on-premise. Then, because of this reason, most of companies losing the customers, business, revenue, and profit. Let me give some example. In the year, for example, go back, for example, almost 20 years back, in the year 2000, 2002, like that. Okay, 20 years back. What happened means most of companies they're in located in India, but clients they're in US or Australia, UK, Japan, Germany. Why India companies especially looking the project from the on-site? Why they can't do from their own country? Why? Because the companies get money in dollar. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, $10 million project means getting amount in crores. See what happened means earlier, that time, for example, take any Java. Java, that time version of Java 2 like that, Java 2 version. Okay. The company, first of all, no one company gives software as a free of cost. That particular company, for example, there is a X company. X company got one project from the client US. The client was specified, do my project on the Java latest version 2. What happened means the vendor, the X company, has to be invest some money to the Java company, right? To get the particular software. The software installed within the company premises, almost 200 plus employees are working on it. The successfully delivered the project in the 2002. In 2003, the same company, X company, get some another project on Java from UK. That time, Java latest version 3. But UK company client was mentioned, do my project on the latest version of Java 3. But this company already purchased Java version 2. Okay, currently they do not have Java 3 version. What happened means the client strictly specified this company cannot say I can't do your project on Java 3. I will do only Java 2. In that case, client will not give any project to the X company. Correct or not? Okay. To get to the latest version, this X company has to be pay again to the particular okay Java company to get the Java latest version 3. In that case, without use of Java to also, this company need to be taking care of maintain the softwares as well as hardware. Because of this issue, these companies may lose the customer, business, revenue as well as profit also. Because of without use of Java to also, this company should be taking care of maintenance. Because of may hope, maybe some another client will be come in future, or that company may ask to do my project on Java too. Without use also, they have to be taking care of maintenance, Java to Java 3. Because of reason earlier, the companies may lose the customer, business, profit, revenue. As well as there is a problem with upgradation. I already given an example. Because whenever the company is maintaining on-premise, there is a issue with upgradation. Okay, there is a lot of issues with on-premise. Now, let's see on-demand. What is on-demand means cloud technology, cloud application. What is cloud? Cloud is nothing but does not require any installation. Why? Because okay, the companies access any particular software or hardware through the internet. Understand? Cloud is nothing but everything will be get access from the internet. Nothing to install. That is what cloud computing, Salesforce is also a cloud computing. Whenever you have to be start working on Salesforce, nothing to install in your laptop, but you compulsory require internet. Without internet, you cannot do anything. Okay. The Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing. Just like Gmail. Okay. Gmail is also one of the mail channel, right? To check your email or to send an email, you require Gmail, right? Without internet, you cannot use. Similarly, the Salesforce also same thing. What is cloud computing? First of all, the Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing, right? What is cloud computing means? Cloud computing is nothing but it provides service. What type of service? Hardware and software service to the companies through the internet. Okay. Here, what type of service? Hardware, software means it includes tools and applications like data storage, servers, database, networking, and software. Cloud computing came the concept as pay-per-use. Pay-per-use means the companies how much time use the particular service for the time being only the vendor charge money from the companies. That is the pay-per-use. Earlier, nowadays, whenever you do recharge your mobile, what happens? You will get unlimited plan. But some earlier, 3 years back, 4 years back, how much time you get the minutes wise? Okay, the particular tele company charge money. Correct or not? How much time you have used the particular call? For that time, the particular telecaller company charge money. Similarly, here the vendors are nothing but vendors will be provide you the cloud computing, the particular software as well as hardware. How much time the company start using the particular software or hardware? For that time being only the charge money, that is pay per use. Okay. Whenever the companies take service from the cloud computing, the companies can easily resize. Resize means upgrade or downgrade their software. If they have to get latest version or if they want to be get lower version, they can get easily with the help of cloud computing. Okay. Here, cloud computing is nothing but who are the cloud computing? Who will be provide the software? For example, SQL Server. SQL Server is the Microsoft company. For example, take any Oracle database. Oracle database is Oracle company. Correct or not? Okay. But here, who will be provide? For example, if I need to be get any Java, who might be contact? See, here you have to be contact vendor. Who are the vendors? Whoever have their own software, their own hardware, those all are vendors. That company only provide all the service through the internet. For example, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, Dell, IBM, then SAP, Informatica. Those all are different vendors, even Microsoft. Okay. Here the Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing. The Salesforce is also one of the vendor. Okay. We have to be learn the Salesforce. In that case, we have to be contact to the Salesforce vendor. Okay. Clear? The vendors are nothing but who are the vendor? Whoever have their own software, their own hardware, those all are vendors. Here, Microsoft is one vendor. IBM is another vendor. Dell is another vendor. Microsoft is another vendor. Oracle is another vendor. SAP is another vendor. If you want to get any required software, you have to be contact to the related vendor. They will provide service to the companies through the internet. Cloud computing architecture. What type of architecture having cloud computing? Cloud computing having the type of architecture is multi-tenant. Do you know what is mean of multi-tenant? Multi-tenant means the companies, the vendor have only one single software, right? The same software will be given to multiple companies. For example, take any Oracle. Okay. Oracle database. How many companies require the Oracle database? How many companies require Oracle database? Huge companies, for example, okay, Accenture, Dell, Deloitte, Capgemini. For each and every company require Oracle database. Correct or not? For each company has contact to the Oracle company. Oracle company have only one single software. The same software will be given to multiple companies. In that case, okay, the Oracle company getting income from the multiple companies. Earlier, this is the one-time subscription. Okay, here the companies pay one-time money to the vendor. But here, if there any problem or service maintenance, they charge one. But now, here from the small companies to big companies also start using this cloud service. Means the vendors are getting lifetime income. Not only for big companies, small companies also start using the service from the cloud computing. That is the reason each and every company is so much interesting to provide the service through the cloud, providing service to the companies. Okay. That is the reason cloud computing came up with the architecture as multi-tenant. Multi-tenant, what is mean of multi-tenant means the companies have only one single software or instance. That one will be served to the multiple companies, multiple customers. That is mean of multi-tenant. Single tenant means the particular completely on-premise. The particular vendor will be give direct software or hardware to the companies. This particular company only can use the same software or hardware. Other company cannot use it. That is the single tenant. Multi-tenant means the companies provide all the service through the internet. More than one company start using the one single software or hardware. Now here, each and every company feel like that it's my own software, it's my own hardware. Okay. Here, let me give some advantages of cloud computing. See, why we discuss more on the cloud computing? The Salesforce is also cloud computing. That is the reason I am giving the overview of the cloud computing. Okay. What are the advantages of cloud computing? Okay. Here, first one is accessible from anywhere. See, wherever you are in, you can access the particular software or hardware, but compulsory requirement is internet. Without internet, you cannot do anything on the cloud service. It must require internet. Okay. From where you are in, from which device you join, doesn't matter. You can access the particular software or hardware through the internet. Then flexible and scalable. What does that mean? based on your requirement, you can easily upgrade or downgrade the particular software as you need. Okay. Then third one is cost effective. No need to pay bulk amount in an advance to get your software or hardware. If you request, they check your company's details and everything. They provide service through the internet. Cloud computing completely based on the concept of pay-per use. How much time the employees or use the particular service, for that time being only the vendor charge money. That is cost effective. Another one is faster service. If you request to get any particular software or hardware to the vendor, you get the particular service within a day itself. But earlier, any company need any software or hardware, they have to be wait for months, because the vendor will be come and visit to the company and check the premises. They have to be configured and everything. It take the months of time. But now cloud computing changed the concept. If the company need any service, they provide service within some hours and days. That is a faster. Another one is secure. You know, cloud computing has put lot of rules, security rules, how the bank application provide. Similarly, they have applied lot of security rules, engines and everything. Accordingly, they provide service. Nowadays, each and every company feels like that. It's my own software, it's my own hardware. Okay. All security rules, engines are applied. Accordingly, the vendors provide service to the companies. Now, type of clouds, okay. No need to discuss much on this. Just I'm giving, okay, basic overview. Okay. In our regular session, we'll be discuss in detail on each and everything. Types of cloud means, the cloud computing, whenever they provide service, there will be three different clouds are there: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. For example, if any S company, okay, if there any X company get any software, they have to be reached to the vendor. The vendor will be asked what type of cloud service you want. Public cloud is nothing but the company employees can use the service anywhere, anytime through the internet. Means anywhere, anytime means within the company or outside of company, public. There is no restriction. The employees can access the service anywhere. Private is nothing but within their premises only they can access the service. Okay, the employee can access within their network only, company's network. The employee go outside of the company, they cannot access the particular service, because that is the private cloud. Hybrid cloud is nothing but the combination of both private and public. That is hybrid cloud. Means the employees can access only within the company premises, but some of the employees like manager, high authority, have an access to the particular access sorted from the outside. Okay, their IP address should be configured. That is hybrid cloud. Hope everyone is clear. Public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Then cloud computing services, each and every company. For example, some of vendor may have hardware, software, network, database, operating system. Some of vendor may not have the particular software or hardware. For example, if you take any Microsoft company, Microsoft having all these services: SaaS service, PaaS service, IaaS service. SaaS is nothing but software as a service, means like some softwares, like some Oracle, MS, those are software. PaaS is nothing but platform as a service, means operating system. IaaS is nothing but network related software. Some of companies may vendor have all these service, some of vendor may not have. But cloud computing, their software, hardware, networking, OS, they were categorized into three different categories. First one is SaaS. SaaS is nothing but software as a service, means all company require software and everything they have to be maintaining under this SaaS service. PaaS is nothing but platform as a service, means it will provide some environment to be work, like operating system, like Windows, some iOS, Ubuntu, those are platform. Then IaaS is nothing but infrastructure as a service, like all network related software and everything configured under this particular service. Okay. Okay, done. We are so far much discussed about the cloud computing. Now let we jump on Salesforce. Okay, what is Salesforce first of all? The Salesforce.com uses the cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Why the Salesforce.com? The Salesforce.com uses the cloud computing by providing the CRM. CRM is nothing but customer relationship management and other application software solution in the form of software as a service based over the internet. Okay. Here, actually, the Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing. You can access the complete service through the internet. Okay. What is Salesforce? First of all, the definition wise, what is Salesforce? What is Salesforce? Salesforce is nothing but it's not a software, it's not a hardware, it's a technology. Okay. It provides service to the customers over internet. Without internet, you cannot do anything on Salesforce. See, as I mentioned, Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing. No need to do any kind of installation. You have compulsory require internet. With internet, you have to be logged into Salesforce. You have to be start your admin development activities. You can build your project by your own. Okay. Even the example how look like the Salesforce. The Salesforce is look like just like a Gmail. They simply provide one login URL, username, and password. To log in into the Gmail, you have to be go and type gmail.com. There you have to be you already registered. You have to be enter your username and password. Similarly, Salesforce also like that. The Salesforce provide one login URL, username, and password. You have to be login. You have to be start working on it. Okay. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is nothing but it's not a software, it's not a hardware, it's a technology. It provides service to the customers over internet. Here, without internet, you cannot do anything on Salesforce. Is this clear to everyone? Then let me discuss about the Salesforce architecture. Okay. Earlier we have seen cloud computing architecture, that is a multi-tenant. Now the Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing. Now let we discuss about the Salesforce architecture. What type of architecture having Salesforce? The Salesforce having type of architecture is MVC. What is mean of M? What is mean of V? What is mean of C? We will be discuss now. M is nothing but model. M is nothing but what? Model. Model comes under database. Then V is nothing but view. View comes under user interface, means look and feel, screen, front end. This is front end. This is model is the back end. V is the front end, model is the back end. Then C is nothing but controller. The logic, business logic. This will be work as a middle layer. You guys has done your graduation, right? B Tech or M Tech or any, right? Okay, graduation or okay, post graduation. At final year, I hope everyone has submitted some project. Most of people has simply buy the project from the institute. We have submitted the college, right? But each and every project have won some architecture. Do you remember? Front end, middle layer, back end. Understand? Front end is nothing but UI part. Back end is nothing but database. Middle layer is nothing but controller. Business logic. For example, you guys people book any railway reservation, train reservation. You have to go to IRCTC kind of thing. Correct? Once you log in, you will see from to date of journey like that. This is the user interface. Whenever you have to enter the detail, if you click on submit like that, login, it will be fetch the train details from the back end with the help of controller. Front end take input, then pass into the back end through with the help of controller. Then, getting result, then passing with the help of controller to the UI. Means all data will be stored into the backend database. The controller will be work as a mediator to taking the request, then giving request back to the UI. It will be contacting or fetching data from the database. Whenever you build any project on Java or .NET or PHP, one project you cannot build with single technology. It requires n number of technologies. For example, if you have built the project in Java, you have require Java as well as you require some kind of database. Either it will be some SQL or Oracle. Even you have require some other tools, right? Tools as well as for deployment prospect, you have to maintain the code, you need some repository. You require a number of software, a number of hardware. In that is companies, clients need to be taking care of more than 20, more than 10 to 20 plus software required to be built one single project. But coming into Salesforce, whenever you build any project on Salesforce, nothing required to take any other database, nothing require any other tools. Everything provided within Salesforce itself only. The Salesforce as inbuilt user interface, the Salesforce as inbuilt business logic, the Salesforce as inbuilt database. Whenever you start build one project on Salesforce, nothing worry about required to take any other software, any other hardware. Everything you built within Salesforce only. Okay, that is the reason. Whenever the companies or client do that project, they can do with very less cost and very quickly. They add on the Salesforce as inbuilt CRM features. That is the reason. Everything, all client project and everything migrate from other technology to Salesforce. That is the reason the Salesforce is very booming nowadays in the market. Okay. If you put the resume in Naukri, each day you get minimum to minimum 5 to 10 calls. That is what demanding of this technology. The market is always grow because of the existing project, whatever they're in SAP, PHP, .NET, Java, they are simply migrating from their existing technology to Salesforce because the Salesforce is cloud. No need to take any other software, other hardware. Everything you can build using the Salesforce. That is the reason the Salesforce as defined with the came up with the architecture as MVC. MVC means model, view, controller. Model comes under database. The Salesforce as their own database. The Salesforce as their own front end user interface. Nothing to write any code, HTML tags, nothing. Okay, the Salesforce provide default user interface. The Salesforce provide complete business logic. Okay, see, everything you can build your front end, controller, model, everything you can build through the point and click only. That is administrative concepts. But some of client requirement you may not achieve through the point and click. That time only you require development. Until unless no need to go with development also. Some of project not require single 1% of development. Okay, if any client requirement you may not achievable through your point and click, that time only you require coding. If you take user interface, by default the Salesforce provide user interface. Any requirement you may not achieve, that time only you require the particular UI. I already shown you, right, the first slide, very beginning. What are the concepts we'll be covering, right? UI will be teach classic as well as lightning. Lightning comes under Aura and LWC. The controller business logic. See, by default, the Salesforce provide a lot of business automation tools. Everything we can build. But for us, suppose any requirement is not achievable through the particular out-of-the-box functionality, that time we can go with Apex. Data model. To create any data model, do we write any SQL queries kind of thing? For example, if you take some SQL Server or Oracle, we have to be create some table. We have to be write some query, create table name. If you have to be fetch data from the table, select star from table name. Do we such kind of query do we need to be write inside Salesforce? The answer is no. You never write one single query to create or fetch data from the particular tables. The Salesforce provide inbuilt database. What database means? The Salesforce database only. Everything you can achievable through the point and click only. No, I don't want point and click. Is there any way to write query to create my table? The answer is no. The Salesforce doesn't have any queries. Everything is point and click. If you have to be create table, there will be a new button. You have to be click on you. You have to be enter name of your table. That's it. One table get created. I want to be create some fields inside the particular table. Okay, in that case, you have to be go and click on new column. You have to be select data type. You have to be do that. Okay, this way you have to be do that. Clear? Clear, everyone? Guys, do you have any questions? I'm not stopping you guys. I'm keep continuing. Is this clear to everyone? Do you have any doubts so far? If you're not clear any concepts, please raise your hand. I will clarify your doubts. Inderpreet, Ramesh, Sasank, Srinivas, Sumit, Vinod, Raghu. Guys, do you have any questions or
Good evening.
Sir, I don't have any questions regarding to the content that you have like just shown to us. Like I have other questions. So will you be taking at the end of the session or
yeah, fine. Okay, under the session I will be taking care.
yeah,
No worries.
sure.
I will give it time to clarify.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Sasank.
It's clear. Nothing from mine. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Good. You know, the Salesforce having type of architecture as MVC, model view controller. Because of this reason, most of clients as well as companies are so much interesting to their project from doing on Salesforce. Why? Because the main advantage is that Salesforce is a cloud, right? The company's employees can start use the service anywhere, anytime through the internet. Okay. The next one is the Salesforce releases. Releases means upgradation. Whenever everyone using some mobile, right? Android or iPhone. Obviously, if you can go to the settings kind of thing, phone upgradation means the Android iOS also they will upgrade their software, right? With some new features, new look and feel kind of thing. Whenever we upgrade, automatically new features will be coming into our mobile. Similarly, the Salesforce is also cloud computing, right? The Salesforce releases means they will come up with some new features. When they come up with new features and everything means the Salesforce releases new features each and every year 3 times based on the seasons: winter, spring, summer. For each season, the Salesforce come up with the existing features. Whenever the Salesforce come up with the existing features, it won't give any impact on the existing functionality, existing behavior. Understand? The Salesforce will be taking care of it because of very huge companies, very huge clients are already start using the Salesforce. If the Salesforce come up with new features, it give any impact, the whole functional should break up. Correct or not? Their business will be went down. The Salesforce will be taking care. They will be releasing some new features. It will not give any impact of it. Okay, based on the season, they will come up with the new features. Then Salesforce editions. First of all, what is this edition? Let me discuss in detail more on about later on. I don't want to give much confusion. Even any company for doing the project on Salesforce, first they have to be purchase the edition from the Salesforce. Clear? First of all, they have to be purchase edition from. Sorry, Raghu, do you have any questions? Okay. Yeah. First of all, any company or client do any project or start work on Salesforce, they have to be purchased this edition. Each edition have some special features and special advantage. What is the cost of my unlimited edition? What is the cost of this unlimited edition? Okay, just let me go any browser. Just will be so Salesforce edition and pricing. As I mentioned, right? Starter means okay, starter, then professional, enterprise, unlimited. Do you know what is the cost of this particular edition? The matter of just $330. Okay, you have to be take. Okay, you have to be pay amount to the Salesforce. Okay, see, is it matter to the companies to pay $330? Understand? For doing the project, they have to be paid just 330 rupees to get the account. Then start doing the project. Okay, you know the Salesforce provide various editions are there. What are those means? Okay, essential edition, professional, enterprise, unlimited, developer edition. This is the free of cost for us. Okay, whatever features are there, everything they provide. Okay, everything is provided. Okay, okay. Let me give more overview in our lecture sessions. First, you have to be required edition first for doing any project. Okay, the highest edition, the most future and most okay, most some on demand edition is the unlimited edition. This cost around $330 USD. Okay, here how to create our Salesforce edition. Salesforce for our practice, it will give two different type of edition. One is the provisional edition and developer edition. See provisional edition, you have CRM plus less development, and this is valid up to 30 days only. After 30 days, account get expired. But developer edition, CRM plus full development. Okay, is the Salesforce mad? Okay, how they will give the free edition for the developers? You know, as a student or employee, we can create n number of Salesforce editions. There is no limit. If you want to create 1,000 plus Salesforce account, you can create it. You will get complete CRM and full development features, as well as you will get lifetime validity. There is no expiry. But the Salesforce is also very smart. The Salesforce restricted the size. They just give 5 MB of data. With this 5 MB data, you have to do the practice whatever you want, but you cannot build any real-time project. Means you can store up to 2,000 records data, 2,000 records information you can store with the help of 5 MB. But 20 MB, they will give separately for file storage. Any documents, any file attachments, they can store. Further, they will give 20 MB. For the data storage, they will give 5 MB. You know, you can create n number of Salesforce editions. There is no limit. Okay, to create any edition, you require one email, valid email address, because whenever you have to be sign up, an email will be go to the registered email address. There you have to be set your password. Whenever you create the developer edition have the CRM plus full development features and its lifetime validity. There will be restricted with some size, space of 5 MB of data, then 20 MB of files. Okay, see how to create your professional edition. I am not give in the professional edition. How to create your developer edition? To create your developer edition, you have to be go to the URL of developer.force.com, or you have to be enter developer.salesforce.com. Okay, there whenever you can go to there you will be see sign up button. There you have to be enter your first name, last name, then email address. You have to be give the valid email address. Then role, you can give any role like developer, architect. This is just okay for the report purpose only. They will ask the company name. You can give any name like ABC, XYZ, or you can give any company name currently. Then country, you can give India, US, anything. Then postal code. This is optional. Okay, just these are mandatory. You can give any information. Like come to the username. What is this username? Username must be unique across all Salesforce orgs. It's unique. Means what is mean of unique? Once you create one username, you cannot create one more username with the same name. Just like Gmail. If anyone is already created one Gmail account, are you create with the same Gmail account again? No, right? You have to pick some different name. Similarly, Salesforce also, the usernames are unique. If anyone is already created with one username, you cannot create with the same name. You have to choose different name. Then another thing is username. Okay, so username must be in the format of email. Email is nothing but compulsory have @ and dot symbol. Okay, email format. It can be not like Gmail. You can give your name, for example, Kishore, right? Kishore @ okay, Kishore @textup.com, Kishore some name, okay, some any company abc.com, Kishore @salesforce.com, like that. You can give it. Okay. Yeah. Usernames are unique across all the Salesforce, or username must be in the format of email address. Once you click on sign me up, an email will be go to the registered email address. Okay, registered email address. There you have to be set your password as well as your security question. That's it. See here. For example, they changed some look and feel like that. They just changed the some look and feel. Salesforce developer edition. See, simple. Developer.salesforce.com. There you have to be click enter sign up button. There you have to be enter username, okay, first name, last name, email address, then role. You can give any name. Developer, architect, your company name, any name you can give. Then country, region, you can give any India, US, state also. Postal code here. Usernames are unique within Salesforce. You can give. Once you have registered anything, an email will be go to the registered email. There you have to be enter your username and password. To log in into Salesforce, you have to be go to the developer.salesforce.com. Sorry guys, sorry. Developer.salesforce.com. There you have to be enter login kind of thing, or you can go to the URL of login.salesforce.com. Okay, login.salesforce.com. There you have to be enter the username and password. You have to be enter your username and password. Just a minute, guys. See, once you have oh, sorry, I forgot it. See, okay, just you can create login at salesforce.com. There you have to be reader to Salesforce. Let me log in into that 1 minute. Just I'm trying to log in into my account, how it look like the Salesforce. Just sometime, okay, first time whenever you log in, it will be awesome verification code because I set it. Because of others, whenever they try to log in with my username and password, verification code will be go to the registered email address. First time only. Okay, if you want to skip this step, you can do that. Just I'm entering my verification code 908376. I received to my Gmail. Just I'm entering. Whenever you log in into Salesforce, right? It will be navigating to the my Salesforce org. This is my Salesforce org. Look and feel. Here only you have to be do your administration and development work each and everything. For that, okay, there will be gear icon will be there, setup icon. The setup icon, through the setup icon, whenever you click on setup icon, it will be come to the same screen only. You have to be do all your administration, okay, as well as your development activity and everything you can do that. Here there will be a lot of features will be there. Then object manager is there here. Object manager nothing but tables here. Tables, backend tables. If you have to be create any table, you have to be click on custom object. Simple, you have to be give the name of your table name. Table is nothing but object. In Salesforce, we can call it as object is nothing but table only. Okay. You have to be enter your name of your object, plural label, and everything. Automatically create one table. Okay. It look like field. Okay. Here, okay, how look like the Salesforce? For example, take any sales and marketing kind of thing. The user will be get screen like this, like home tab, like charter. Why the Salesforce by default provides some lot of applications and all, because these all are CRM. CRM is nothing but customer relationship management. By default, the Salesforce has inbuilt CRM. Because of this reason, the Salesforce provide lot of apps, tabs. Everything will be discussed in our regular class. No need to worry. This is what look and feel look like. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's it for today's one, because okay, okay, I'm not going to much in the org and everything. Just I showed you how we can create org. Okay, once we log in into the org by using setup gear icon, we will do all your CRM admin development activities. We will be do that. Okay, hope everyone is clear. Okay. Let me end up this sessions. Okay. What are the benefits from Aspect except from this training? We do provide complete training in real time with more and more scenarios. Each day class will be teach how it work, as well as will be give some 2 to 3 real time scenarios, as well as will give some assignments on each and every concepts. As well as whenever we complete one concept, what are the interview questions will be coming, what are the real time tasks you get will be so on live only. Okay, we provide complete training from base level to advanced level. Sometimes you may very silly as well as easy. Sometimes you get conflict. Why? Because it's our responsibility to teach the training from base level to advanced level. Okay. From this training, each and everyone will expose 4+ years of real-time exposure. If you doesn't have any real-time experience, or you have to be switch career from one technology to another technology, you can easily do from this training programming. Okay. Why? Because as I mentioned, we do provide complete training in real time along with project explanation. Whenever we start training, that time only we take one real-time project on hospital management or any retail company like Walmart, Amazon, like that will be taken. On top of that, all concepts will be going on. At the end of training, you will get one end-to-end project implementation on each and every concept. You can easily explain while interview. That is the reason we'll be do one real-time end-to-end project application. Okay. From this training programming, if you already doesn't have any coding skills or anything, no need to worry. We'll be taking care. I will give guarantee you can write the code completely by your own without anyone help. Then as well as we'll be providing the certification help and guidance, as well as we'll be help to prepare your resume. This is all benefits you get it from SV Texas. Guys, do you have any questions? I will give time for you. You can ask, clarify your doubts if you have any.
Uh, so, sir, hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, actually, I have experience of more than 4 years as a QA.
Okay.
So I just wanted to learn Salesforce as I am like in the current market scenarios. I'm getting to more of Salesforce openings.
Yes.
So matlab, like I am not sure whether I need to go for the whole course or only the CRM part is will be okay for me to get a job as a QA.
Frankly telling, as I mentioned,
Hmm.
there will be less opportunity for the CRM admin. If you know development, it will be
Hmm.
more add-on. For example, if you get a job as an administration, you may not work on development. It will be given an add-on
Right.
to you, right? Correct or not?
Right.
See, no need to change companies also, guys. I'm telling you. If you learn the course, you can do one certification, you can request the same company. I am
Mhm.
already did some training from last 6 months like that. I already have certification. The company easily give the Salesforce. If you do some 6 months like that, you can switch company, you get a double package. See, why the
Yes.
people come Salesforce? You don't believe, guys, 3 years guys getting more than 50 lakh, the current market. If you have
But
7 lakh, 8 lakh, they will give double package. But
mhm.
changing technology, how you plan that up to you. You can switch company or you can keep continue with the same company. If your company manager will not allow, you can go for other companies. That okay, there you can go for any administrator kind of thing jobs.
So, what is the duration of this course?
Duration, complete duration it will take 2.5 to 3 months.
So as you mentioned, like we can get like as a QA also, I can like it will not include much of the coding skills and because I'm not
See,
that comfortable with
yes,
coding
correct,
and
correct, correct. See, everyone is come like that only, but it's very
uh,
easy, the coding part. The same concept you have to be work. For example, you want to be go as a Salesforce QA kind of thing, then
right.
admin up to CRM administration is enough for you.
Okay. So sir, my previous like work experience will be counted when I'll be like searching for like it will be a switch from manual QA to a Salesforce to the Salesforce technology. So will my
Mhm.
previous experience be counted and
Yes, absolutely,
because
absolutely. Okay, guy, whatever experience you have and everything, same you can keep it. Okay, just you can tell I have switched from other testing to Salesforce testing like that. You can,
yes. Okay, sir. Thank you.
yeah. But this course, just I'm giving some overview, guys. This is the whole Salesforce training. Okay, some people may come for only administrative trainings. Okay,
Right.
that okay, whoever join administrator will be cover both CRM and administration. The development kind of okay, for development purpose will be cover both all the remaining 5 concepts. Some people especially come for lightning aura. Some people will be come for LWC who are already working on Salesforce that doesn't have any LWC skill. Those people also will be join LWC. This is all Salesforce course. Okay, whoever
Flows,
already working. Yeah,
flows
sorry,
will
Ramesh.
also be part of this course. Flows,
Sorry.
flows.
Yes, flows absolutely. Flows almost it take 4 to 5 classes. Flows is
Okay,
more demand in the market. There is no
Ah,
apex trigger
yeah,
in the future, right? There is no workflow.
correct,
Nowadays,
correct.
whatever they're in workflows, triggers, and everything, they were migrated into flows. That is the reason we will be taking on flows only 10 hours like that, more than 10 hours.
So, are we also covering email to chat functions, email function, chat functions? Will this
Yes,
also be?
absolutely. See,
Yeah.
the course we design for each and every concept. Okay. From
Oh,
email template, then charter, okay, communities and everything.
Yeah, hello. I don't have any background as a IT. Can I do this?
Yes, absolutely. See,
Yeah,
basically,
yeah.
whoever doesn't have any job, whoever some non-IT people and everything, Salesforce is the best option to come into IT. Why? Because first one is very, very huge opportunities. But here actually you may get difficulty to initial understanding of the development and everything, but practice is the key. Salesforce is very easy. I'm telling you, compared to other technologies, it's very easy, very clean programming. But practice is the key. Why? Because each and every day you will see 3 to 4 concepts, new concepts. I will give you a plan, but you have to be educated. That's it.
Actually, I'm a civil engineer. Present, I am a civil engineer, but I need to shift it into
Doesn't
IT.
matter. Doesn't matter. Civil engineer, at least you completed B.Tech. Some people who ever did some BA from their graduation, those people also learn and getting job on Salesforce. No need to worry on it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Because first we have to be check, guys, how the market, how the opportunities. Okay. First, why? Because we are investing money to upgrade our skills or to be secure in our job. Correct or not? Why you guys came for this training? We have to be secure our jobs as well as okay, okay, okay. Actually, we have to be get some good amount of package. That is the reason the people will be switch their career. Correct or not? The Salesforce is the very right option. Okay, guys, but here you have to be keep maintain the LinkedIn profile is good for everyone. In LinkedIn also each and every day you will see more than 20 plus job opportunities. On LinkedIn, go jobs, just search for Salesforce jobs, Salesforce remote jobs. The Salesforce very huge job opportunities on the remote. Means no need to go office like US companies, UK, Canada, Germany. A lot of companies are giving some remote job opportunities. You can do from work from home on. As well as they were giving very good amount of package. Yeah, guys, do you have any other
Okay.
questions?
You will be taking like all these topics, or you will be for every topic there will be different trainers.
I will
Because
be the person to be taking all these topics.
okay,
For
okay,
next 3 months, I will only the person for this complete concepts. The
okay,
Salesforce, this is the core Salesforce. Okay. The Salesforce
mm,
have other modules are there. Let me give some your better understanding. Okay. Guys, if you can go to my website, just a minute. There will be other courses. This is the Salesforce. As I mentioned, right? Some people will become for complete Salesforce development. Some people come for only administrator. Some people come for development. Some people come for lightning. Some people come for especially for LWC. Other than that, we do have CPQ, velocity, billing, and velocity is nothing but whoever already working on Salesforce. If they have to be upgrade skills within Salesforce, velocity is one of the best options. Basically, insurance as well as telecom domain, they built on Salesforce. Understand? CPQ is nothing but some configure price quotes kind of thing. Some signaturing the document, quotation sending and everything. But the prerequisite is Salesforce only. If you know the Salesforce, then only they can learn Encino, velocity, CPQ. Without Salesforce, they cannot learn, they cannot upgrade it. Clear?
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, do you have any further questions? Feel free to ask me. No need to worry on it.
Oh, what will be the timings for these classes if you are taking?
Okay, I am planning to take this timing at the same time 8 p.m. IST, 8 to 9:30.
Okay.
Monday to Saturday classes. Saturday I will be take in the morning time.
Okay.
Saturday will be basically Saturday, but Sundays also some class will be there. Saturday and Sunday, especially I designed for the real-time scenarios, the project explanation, the doubt clarifications, the trial heads and everything. Certification guidance will be taking care in the weekend. Do kind of revision, quick revision, as well as some certification help, trial head, because okay, the Salesforce is like washing. It's very Okay, very more concepts are there. Correct or not? With this training programming, I cannot teach the trailhead in the regular session. Okay, I will be teach the project explanation, like interview question and answers, as well as quick revision kind of thing will be do in the weekend.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, Saturday will be take 2 hours like that. The daily have 1.5 hour session is there. Each and every day class will be recorded, that will be shared on daily basis. Okay, from the portal only. Okay, if you want to enroll the course, you can purchase the course from online only. Go to Salesforce, you have to be click on enroll button. Once we enroll, there you will be get okay. So first you have to be register it. Once you register, there you will be get all the recording, course videos and everything. Okay. Okay,
Is this
whatever.
available in Udemy also?
Sorry,
Is this available in Udemy?
not Udemy. This
Ah,
is
okay,
actually
okay.
our own, right? Actually, whenever you click on your name, whatever courses you are enrolled and everything, it will be visible here. There you can watch the videos and everything. We built our own platform for all the
Oh, okay.
courses.
So here you have everything detailed explanation the way what we take in the class.
Yes, absolutely.
The
See,
entire Salesforce, like the velocity and everything, all the courses are available here, right?
yes, correct.
Okay, okay.
All the courses. Okay,
And
but
what is it?
velocity, CPIC and everything, different trainers are there.
So how long this access will be remain with us? Lifelong?
Lifetime access. Lifetime.
Ah, okay.
If you have any issues or anything, you can contact us.
Okay, okay.
The currently we are doing upgradation of our website. The currently .in. The next week like that we are upgraded to some .com domain
Fantastic.
with
Fantastic.
new more add-on and everything. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
So in this
But-
actually, whatever the course you are, the Salesforce training modules, what you're showing currently right now over here. So that will cover all these things in the website, right? All these videos are available in the website also, right?
Yes, correct. Website also there. But
So on a fast track, if I want to complete in a month, I can do it, right? On a fast track, if I want to go ahead and complete the course, I can go ahead and do it, right? On a fast track, if I have the sufficient time to practice and
yes, but actually like once you join course or anything, if you want me to see the previous class recording, that will be shared.
oh, okay.
Okay, there
So
you can.
recent updates and everything, whatever we have,
Yes,
the
correct.
recent, whatever the Salesforce releases on a quarterly or a, like winter session, summer, they release, right? Some few updates. So that will be also covered in that.
Yes, correct. If there any product explanation, anything newly added, those will be automatically updated in the website also.
So I have one quick question. So once you get Salesforce trained, let's assume, can I go ahead as a BA also?
Yes, BA. See, for going
What
BA
is
also, you have to be compulsory CRM administration. As well as you have to be quick overview on what is classic, what is development, what is like, business analyst people, you have to be give some suggestion to the client, correct or not? You have
correct?
to
You need
and
to explain
everything.
about that particular functionality, function, how it is work, and how is that APIs are
Yes,
related.
correct.
One more question I have related to this. So how is the, are we going to cover the APIs also in this?
Yes, it also will be covered. But actually,
Okay.
that one will be covered in the integration.
Okay. So that will be covered as a part of integration. You will cover
Yes,
this
integration.
API.
Yes, API
Okay.
also. What are the different API? Each and every API advantage, charter API is there, enterprise thing is there, right? Partner. Okay, different visuals are there, right? Okay. Bulk API, charter API will be there. What are the each and everything? But we cannot show each and everything on live, but we'll be some wow, each and every API, how to work and everything.
Okay. Yeah,
But
got it.
integration we usually take 15 hours actually, integration.
Integration 15 hours. Okay.
Yes, 15
So
hours.
Monday to Saturday, so daily it's one and a half hour class, or is it like, how is that?
1.5 hour class. 1.5 hour class.
Okay.
But Saturday planning to take 2 hours. But Saturday, as I mentioned, right? But mostly revision, the interview question answers preparation. If you have any doubts, or any some trial head kind of thing will be covered.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
Guys, each and every day you will see 3 to 4 new concepts. That is what Salesforce. Salesforce is very easy, but concepts are more. But from day one only, I will be give one course content, guys. But okay, within my website, it's not updated. Just as I mentioned, we are migrating into that, I have to be updated. But I will share you one PDF document to you. You guys have to be take printout. You have to be handy with the course content. Okay, if you know the course content well, the concepts are very easy, very understandable. Okay, let me give a plan. No need to worry on it. Okay. Yeah, guys, do you have any further questions? If you're all good, so that I will end up the session.
So, sir, are you going to cover some security concepts as well that are mentioned under Salesforce testing course?
Yes. That will be covered in our first 1 or 2 days, okay? Sessions only. Securities and everything.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys, let me stop for today's sessions. Okay. We are planning to start the regular batch from Thursday. Okay. That is some 4th of January. Okay. If you want to be enrolled the course or anything, please contact to or reach out as we takes up. Okay. Yeah, thanks everyone. Thanks for your time. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.